Hi everyone, Tim Ard here. Coming up soon, May 10th, 11th, and 12th, 2022, held on a beautiful Biltmore Estates property in North Carolina. This is the 3-day workshop we have been holding for 12 years at Berry College in Rome, Georgia, and we want to take it on the road to a little farther north location, Asheville, North Carolina. Asheville, North Carolina offers a lot of options in accommodations and even flight arrangements into the area. The Biltmore has a classroom facilities and acres of trees they maintain in pristine forests, so the location makes a great place to collaborate on the workshop. We removed some storm situations and thinned some trees for them, and we have a fantastic workshop venue. The participant size is limited to 12 for this workshop, and as of this date, 3 seats have been filled, so you want to get your reservations in soon. Payment will have to be in by April 10th, 2022, 30 days prior to the start date. The first day will be in classroom and in the woods. Board work going over the basics and refresher with discussions of personal protective equipment, sharpening, reactive forces, reduced downtime maintenance, planning to fall a tree, horizontal storm tree work. Then outside to see how it works in the wood. Day 2 will be in the woods, hands-on, reactive forces, felling trees, height measure, wedging, reduced downtime maintenance, and hands-on sharpening. Every participant will fell a tree. Day 3 outside, all day until complete the storm work. We set up storm situations with trees felled on day 2. Work in teams to plan and limb and buck the debris. Notches and hinges, tongue and groove, mismatch cuts, wedge buck and log levitation. Also look at stump removal. And then we'll sit down for a recap and discuss what we've found. This is an action-packed 3 days. Its design is to answer all questions you might have on saw operations with emphasis on being able to explain and share the information. It's a great workshop for those wanting to share information with others. We use the train the trainer concept with points and competition. You'll find it to be unique. Cost for the 3-day workshop is $750. Lunches will be provided all 3 days. Travel and other meals except for lunch will be on the participant. All PPE to operate a saw should be brought with you. If you have questions on what to bring or suggestions if you haven't purchased, please check with us. Hard hat, eye, ear protection, leg protection, gloves, and heavy boots are required for the course. Bring your saw and your sharpening tools if not flying in, and make sure to pack clothes for all weather. Will work unless lightning or very high winds persist. More information will be sent to you upon registration with local and other specifics, the times, lodging, etc. We hope you are able to attend. We're looking forward to meeting you and sharing our workshop information with you. So come on along the Forest Apps Road to Asheville, North Carolina and the Biltmore Estate to experience some good sawing.